Hey everybody! In today's video, I am going to show you a very fun product called Magic Stamp. This is from Colorbox. And I just want to describe the feeling that I have when I use this product. And it's that feeling I had when I was little and I played with Silly Putty and the color comics. It gives me that same kind of joy that I had when I was little. It's a really simple product. It's just a square of foam, some sort of mysterious magic foam, and it comes with detailed instructions on how to use it, but it's so quick that I just thought I would show you. To create your custom stamp, you just heat the surface of the magic stamp for a brief period of time, and you can actually sort of see when the magic stamp is ready to take an impression. You can sort of see the foam start to sparkle just a little bit. I don't know if it's that visible in the video, but you just want to heat it until the top is thoroughly heated. I would recommend heating your heat gun first so that it's already hot when you go to make an impression, which I'm doing with a Sizzix embossing folder. What's fun about embossing folders is the two different sides. So here you can see I used the indented side of the embossing folder. And now I'm just going to heat it up again, and you can see the impression completely vanishes. And I'm going to press it on the raised side of the embossing folder so that you can see what those two different things look like. There you go. And it would be fun to stamp this and then also emboss it. So you would get sort of a letterpress look from combining those two things. I'm going to try it on this beautiful background stamp. So I'll heat it again. And what's cool is you can just use this over and over and over again because the impression just disappears after you reheat it. And I'm going to show you what the difference is between this detailed floral background stamp and the impression that I get when I use the magic stamp to create a stamp of the opposite image that I get when I press it into the foam. So I'm using VersaFine Clair here. This is my favorite Bluebell ink. And I'm just going to ink up the stamp, at which point you can really see what the magic stamp is doing. And I will stamp this down on some white cardstock. And this is very soft. It actually comes in sheets as well as these blocks. And there are some shaped blocks as well. So now you can see that looks so different from the impression of the background stamp, which I will show you. And this is what's in my samples, is a card using both the background stamp and then the impression from the background stamp that I picked up with the magic stamp. And it could not be more different, which is very, very fun. So here you can see those beautiful thin line roses and then the opposite impression that was created by the magic stamp. So I hope you'll give this a try. We have a review of this product over on splitcoaststampers.com this week. And of course, I have these images for these cards on my blog. This is a card I did by smashing it into sequins. And this is the card from the impression that I took in the video. Here's a little bit of barbed wire that I used with a Western image. Thanks so much for watching.